There was very little that was Jewish about my home. Both my parents were hippies, self-declared hippies from the hippie era. I grew up on the west coast of Canada in small towns and small hippie towns. My parents split very early, so I kind of had a dual upbringing, and I spent holidays with my father. And at my father's house, we had like Hanukkah and occasional Shabbos. My father and stepmother had a house for a while on Hornby Island, which is one of the small islands in the strait, Georgia Strait, between Vancouver Island and the coast. And what's interesting about that island is it has a lot of summer folk, and a lot of summer folk from a particular synagogue in Vancouver called Or Shalom, which is the Reconstructionist Renewal Synagogue in Vancouver. And so Shabbos in the summer on Hornby Island consisted of, potluck dinners on the beach, singing Leonard Cohen and Beatles songs. That's what I knew. And there would be prayers over the bread. It certainly wasn't anything near kosher. And prayers over the bread, prayers over the wine, and then, then the guitars would come out. And I think I didn't even go to my first Seder until I was at least 13 or 14. And as for shul, maybe once a year, but then only if my father happened to be going or there was a concert. My father's a musician, so if there was a concert in the shul or a bar mitzvah or, I didn't really consider myself Jewish until I was, well, I'm not even sure if I do now, but I didn't think about whether I was Jewish until I was past 20.